In 6 steps, this is how to make $100,000 freelancing. Step 1, learn, develop, and master a skill. Step 2, sign up on a freelancing website. Step 3, set up your freelancing gig. Step 4, advertise your gig online. Step 5, get the high-paying job done with popular freelancing skills. And step 6, improve on your skills daily and keep receiving payment. I'll also show you what to look out for before signing up on any freelancing website. And finally, I'll show you how to sign up on any freelancing website in 2024. Let's get started. Here are 5 things you need to look out for before signing up on any freelancing website. Number 5, check the reliability of the website. Number 4, check the customer care service. Number 3, check how easy to use the interface of the website is. Number 2, check the availability of your skills. And number 1, check for a review either on that website or on any review website like Trustpilot. Let's go over the 6 steps in getting started in freelancing. Step 1, learn, develop, and master a skill of your choice. In order to choose a skill, you need a list to pick from. Here is the list of the best freelancing skills in 2024. Number 1, logo design. Number 2, book and art design. Number 3, copywriting. Number 4, proofreading and editing. Number 5, video editing. Number 6, voiceovers. Number 7, web development. Number 8, data entry. Number 9, virtual assistant and user testing as number 10. Remember, not all freelancing skills are easy to learn, but here are top 3 freelancing skills easy to learn in 2024. Number 1, data entry. Number 2, proofreading. And number 3, voiceover. You can learn freelancing skills using an online course, or you subscribe to this channel and watch out for the playlist. I will organize the videos in the playlist using a freelancing course outline. Now that you've learned a skill, let's go over to the next step. Step 2, sign up on a freelancing website. A lot of people ask me, which freelancing website should I sign up on? My answer, all. And in order to sign up on all freelancing websites, you need to know the best freelancing website. .com. You would land on an interface like this. The first thing you need to check will be the reliability of the website. So to do that, you go to About Guru and scroll to the end. To check for number 4 is their customer service. Now to do that, you just simply scroll to the end and check for contact us. Then you fill in these details and submit. Now depending on how fast they can reach out back to you will determine how reliable their customer service is. So the third thing we'll need to check out on this website will be how easy their interface is for us to use. And from here, you can find out that we are really having to scroll through a lot to find a lot of things. So this interface is something else. The availability of the skills. Okay, so to find that, you just simply come to see all skills. To see which of the skills written here is what you'll be offering. Now, to go to the last step, which is looking for a review, you just simply go to Trustpilot and here you go. So, and scroll down. Then you can check any of these lists. You don't have to depend on all or only the reviews here. You can check other websites, review platforms to see what people are saying about the website guru.com. In order to sign up, this is what you simply do. You come here and fill in these details, follow the prompt, and you'll be done. Let's go to the next website. Number 5, people per hour. Once you land on this website, we'll need to check the reliability of this website. So to do that, just simply go to About Us. When you land on the About page, click on any of these highlights to confirm if what they're saying is true. So if you click on this, it's loading and it takes you to a video on YouTube. With that, you're sure that the rest are genuine, so you can give this a check mark. The next thing you would need to find out will be how easy to use the interface is, and you would agree that it is very easy to use. So in order to check the availability of your skill, you just hover your mouse on any of these. It will display the corresponding skills under any of these. To check for a review, you just go to Trustpilot or TrustRadius or any other website or a video on YouTube that reviews this website. Finally, to sign up, just come here and press sign up. Select I want to work as a freelancer, and you can sign up with a Facebook or an email. So for this, I'll use an email. So you fill in your first name, last name, email, password, and you sign up. The next website will be freelancer.com. So once you type in freelancer.com, you will arrive at this interface. So the first thing we'll be checking is the reliability of the website. To do that, simply scroll to the end and click About Us. Once you land at this page, simply scroll down and read everything you have. There is a press release here. You can view it to see how genuine it is, or you can visit this website to see more about it. With that, let's go to the next thing. You can check for their customer service, simply scrolling down to help and support. Fill in your question and get help. For the few seconds you've been going through the website, you've already determined how easy to use the website is. To check for the availability of your skills, simply come to Find Jobs by Skill and see the available skills here. Now, so to see a review, you can simply go to Trustpilot and check out a review about them, or you can check on YouTube for other videos about freelancer.com reviews. As well, you can subscribe so that in subsequent videos, when I make a review about this website, you will get notified. In order to sign up, you just click sign up and fill in your details and join as a freelancer. With that, let's go to the next website. Number 3 on the list is TopTal. Once you arrive on this interface, in order to check the reliability of the website, simply go to About Us, scroll down, confirm any of the links here. Example, you can view this bio to see if these are people you can reach on Twitter, LinkedIn, just to confirm their identity, that it's not a random photo. Once you've confirmed that, to check the customer service, simply scroll down and click Contact Us. Fill in your details and submit. Depending on how fast they get back to you, you can give them a thumbs up or take another decision. To search for the availability of your skills, simply click here, the hamburger icon, scroll down, and you see the available skills from A to Z. Simply choose any of your choice. To check the review of the website, simply go to Trustpilot or TrustRadius and read up what you have here. You can as well check other blogs and YouTube videos for reviews. Finally, to sign up, simply go to Apply as a freelancer. Fill in your details. Put in your full name, your email, password, following this criteria. Confirm password and submit. Number 2 on the list is Upwork. Once you arrive on this interface, to check the reliability of this website, simply go to About Us, scroll down. You can check their leaders, board of directors, careers, newsroom, just to confirm. you can copy this name and search on LinkedIn to see if you find this person. To contact customer care, simply come to contact us, select this and follow the instructions below. For the availability of your skills, simply select any of this and you find the options available. For this, you have articles and blogs, proofreading, and the rest. Finally, to sign up, click sign up, select I'm a freelancer and apply as a freelancer. To see the review of the website, simply come to #SHORTS and you'll find this review. Take your time to go through it. Once you're done, you can now move to sign up on their website. And number one website is Fiverr. Once you arrive on this interface, to check the reliability, simply scroll down, come to About, select this, wait for it to load, and you can read everything in here until you're satisfied. To contact the customer care, simply scroll down, go to Help and Support, type in your request and search. To check for the availability of your skills on Fiverr, simply scroll down until this bar appears. Then you can search any of these. To check for a review, simply go to TrustRadius or Trustpilot. Carefully read everything here. To sign up, simply select Join and continue with Google, email, or any of this. Follow the prompt and I will see you inside. Here's the bonus tip for you for sticking around to the end. From all the freelancing websites highlighted, once you're inside and you create an account, what you need to pay attention to will be a payment method. You have to set a payment method that is acceptable in your country, that you'll be able to receive payment. If not, all what you'll be doing will be a waste of time. So it is critical that on all freelancing websites you'll be signing up on, you check the availability of a payment method that is allowed in your country. If you want me to cover how to set up your payment method on your profile on any freelancing website, leave a comment below and I'll do that for you. Now that you've successfully created your account, let's go to the next step. Step 3, set up your gig. What is a gig? A gig is a freelance service done with a skill set. Example, if you have a design skill set, you'll be creating design gigs. It is important that you become familiar with freelancing terminologies in order to enhance your communication with employers. Here are a few you need to know: deliverables, bio, portfolio, retainer, revision, cold mail, warm mail, sales funnel, byline, and let's move on to the next step. Step 4, advertise your gig. To do this, you have to set up an official account for your gig on all social media platforms, especially LinkedIn. The more visible you become, the higher the chances of getting a job. If you need a high-paying job from clients, 3 things you must do. Number 1, deliver quality services. Number 2, get a recommendation. Number 3, get leads from your Google business profile and LinkedIn. Keep in mind, you might not get a job instantly. It might take somewhere around 30 days before you can get a job. With that, let's go to the next step. Step 5, get the job done using popular freelancing tools. Depending on the kind of job you're doing, you'll need a software, an app, a website, or an AI tool. To explain the use of these, let's look at the best high-paying freelancing jobs. They include 1, web development, 2, graphic design, 3, content development. Example, writing. For this illustration, we'll use writing. Here are examples of tools used by writers. 1, Grammarly, and 2, ChatGPT. Step 6, improve your skills daily, and keep receiving payment. This is the secret of all successful freelancers. If you want to become a successful freelancer, you must keep improving on your skills daily. Sign up for that tutorial, pay for that subscription, get that software. All this will better enhance your skill and make you more successful. If there's anything you want me to explain more in details, or you have a question on freelancing, let me know in the comment below. I'll be glad to answer that. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. Cheers.